Okay, it's time for our next game. Put on your thinking caps, open up your ears, exercise your mouth, get ready to go. Bat, bat. Does bat begin with O? No, bat begins with the letter B. Bat. Does an orange begin with the letter O? That one looks like a very delicious orange, by the way. Yes, orange begins with the letter O. Does do ostriches begin with the letter O? Ostrich. Let's review. In the top, we said that an ostrich did begin with O. So I believe, do you believe that an ostrich begins with O? Yes. Does an easel begin with the letter O? A painting easel? No. It begins with the letter I. Okay. How about an octopus? Does an octopus begin with the letter O? Yes. Great job, friends. Does a leaf begin with the letter O? Leaf. No. Leaf begins with the letter L. L for leaf. Very good, friends. Thank you for playing. Does it begin with O or not?